Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Cool Zone. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by to check me out. Today, we are going to be doing some pumpkin spice waffles. And let me tell you, folks, they're going to be amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I love you all. And I just want to apologize for my voice sounding a little crazy. I was having a little issues with my mic, so just was on another. It was just one of those days, but enjoy the video.
Imagine this, champagne red lips. Come and catch my rhythm while you're holding my hips. Stay on it, baby, stay on it. Especially when I dip. You don't wanna lose this body, so you tighten that grip. Pull me close and tell me how you love it. When everyone around us turns to nothing, I can't see no one but you. It's true. So when you know that it's time to go, you can see me, I'll be at the door. And I'm like, meet me outside, meet me outside, meet me outside tonight. Maybe we can roll up and get a little naughty. And ain't no talent, ain't no talent, ain't no talent, ain't no talent. What can happen before the after party? Before the after party. Before the after party, before the after party. Ooh, before the after party, before the after party. My heels high, you fit right. Booty like the moon in my sky. Dripping diamonds, call them stars. No regrets, it's who we are. They want me and you flaunt me, so nothing is coming in between you and me. And that one date when we were boot up, boot up, boot up, made me feel like I had to choose ya. I really couldn't stand a chance to lose ya. So I go in my mind, can't help but press rewind to that one night when I met ya. I tried so hard not to sweat ya, then I was like, meet me outside, meet me outside, meet me outside tonight. Maybe we can roll up and get a little naughty. And ain't no talent, ain't no talent, ain't no talent, ain't no talent. What can happen before the after party? Before the after party. Before the after party, before the after party. Ooh, before the after party, before the after party.